Does YouTube TV have channels? Yes, YouTube TV offers a wide range of channels across various genres, including news, sports, entertainment, and more. Here's a breakdown of what YouTube TV offers in terms of channels. 1. Base plan channels. YouTube TV's base plan includes over 100 channels, covering a variety of content. Sports channels: ESPN, NBC Sports, Fox Sports, CBS Sports Network, TNT. News channels: CNN, Fox News, MSNBC, BBC World News. Entertainment and lifestyle channels: TBS, TNT, AMC, HGTV, Food Network. Local channels: ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, PBS. Other channels: Cartoon Network, Bravo, Discovery Channel, National Geographic. 2. Add-on channels. YouTube TV also offers optional add-ons for more specialized content. Sports add-ons: Sports Plus, NFL Red Zone, Fox Soccer Plus, Golf TV, MFTV, Stadium. Premium channels: HBO Max, Cinemax, Showtime, Stars. 3. On-demand content. In addition to live TV, YouTube TV provides access to on-demand content from many of the channels in its lineup. This allows you to catch up on shows and movies at your convenience. 4. Channels for international content. For additional international content, you can add channels that provide a more diverse lineup. 5. Channel availability. The availability of channels may vary based on your region due to local broadcasting restrictions.